What is that? Ma,
Attorney, iiwan muna kami.
Ma.
I signed my confession. I did it. Ako yung nagtaas ng dosage ng steroids ni Byron. Ako yung nag-utos kay Jigger i-frame ang daddy mo. And I was the one who shot Jigger.
Anong sabi ni attorney? Did she cut a deal with the police? Gano'n daw katagal? Ilang years ka daw sa kulungan?
25 years. 20 kung magpapakabait ako sa loob. It doesn't matter. I won't last 6 months in prison.
Ma. Ma, don't say that. You're a fighter. You can't give up. I'll do everything. Tsaka, yes, you made mistakes in the past. Pero di ba nagsisisi ka naman, ha? We'll find a way. I'll look for another lawyer. Maghahanap ako ng makakatulong sa atin. Maghahanap ako ng taong makakaluwar ng sentence mo. I'll do everything.
Don't have to, Amelie. You don't have to.
20 years. 20 years. 40 na ako nun, Ma. Baka may anak na ako dun. Baka may apo ka na. Dadalawin ka namin.
Alam mo, hirap na hirap ako nung pinagbuntis kita. Hihina daw yung kapit mo. Muntik ako makunan twice. Kaya nung lumabas ka, I promised myself, hindi ko hahayaang mawala ka sa akin. Sobra naman.
No. You were just protecting me. I know.
And that destroyed us. You hated me. You hated me. Sorry. The more you despise me, the more I wanted to control you. And I'm sorry, naging mahigpit ako sa'yo, Amelie. I'm so sorry. You're now free. You're free from me. Wala ka ng responsibilidad bilang anak sa akin.
Stop. Stop saying that, Ma. Stop saying that.
Ano naman yung gusto mo, anak? Wala na ako sa buhay mo.
You made mistakes. You made mistakes, but that will never erase the fact that you are my mother. Never, Mom. Never.
Oo. You're now free, anak. Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Magpatato ka. Fine naman who will love you. Lahat ng pinagbawal ko, gawin mo na dahil wala ka ng mommy na magbabawal sa'yo. Wala na.
Stop. Stop it, Ma. Malalaban tayo, di ba? I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll do everything. I promise.
Officer, handa na ako.
No, wait lang. Wait lang, Ma. Let me help you. Wait. Sandali lang, Ma. Ma, wait. Wait. Wait now.